Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna make a men's robe with old bedding. Let's get started. Fold in half, connect 2 inches and 3 inches apart respectively. It's gonna be a neckline. Measure this part. It's gonna be a shoulder. Mark 8.5 inches from the bottom corner. Mark 18 inches from the left top side, which is the waistline. Connect 2 spots and cut. Make a notch in center of each sleeve. This is the back panel. Let's sew the shoulder first. Place the front and back shoulder right sides together and sew. Do the same for the other shoulder. Open the seam and pin the body and sleeve right sides together and sew. Do the same for the other sleeve. Match the lines and sew the side lines. Trim and cut or notch the armpit to prevent the bulging while turning out. Do hemming. Fold 1/2 inches first and then 1.5 inches and sew. Measure the length of the front and back panels. It's gonna be a collar. Place the wrong side of the body and the right side of the collar together and sew. Leave an extra 1 to 2 inches above the hem. Sew the bottom of the collar right sides together and trim the excess. Turn the right side out. Now I'm gonna sew the outside of the collar. Let's iron before sewing. Press the seams outward and fold the collar. Sew the outside of the collar. Do the same for the end of the sleeve, like a hem. Fold 1/2 inches first and then 1.5 inches and sew. Fold in half and sew the edge of the belt, leaving an opening. This is the loop. fold both sides, and then fold once more in the middle and sew like this. Attach the loops to the waistline. Thank you for watching.